Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. Today in this video I will be showing you how to solve WhatsApp video call problem. These steps are very easy, so without any further delay, let's get right on the video. So if your WhatsApp call is not working, then first you need to check whether you have allowed the permissions on your WhatsApp. So first of all, open your settings, scroll down and go to apps. Then go to manage apps and here search for WhatsApp. Open it and here go to app permissions option. Then you have to allow this camera option, allow it, go back. And then you have to allow this microphone option also, allow it, go back. And lastly this phone option, allow it and go back. And this is probably it. And lastly, just restart your phone and you're good to go. This is it for today. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos like these and comment down what next video should be on. See you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.